Hey everyone, my name is Vincent and I'm here with Raphael and Rajiv, and we are excited to present to you SalesMate. Awesome. So, sales training today is super crucial for companies, but also super painful. The success of individual salespeople can vary by magnitudes based on whether they're well trained or poorly trained. And especially this is important in commercial teams that have among the highest turnovers within companies. However, training is super costly. Right now is very manual, such as with training role play. And usually at companies, they do some training, but then ultimately have to uh, burn leads for practice in order to get reps under the belts of their salespeople. And so general training that's theoretical and like reading materials has limited feedback and lacks the level of engagement required for good training. Now introducing our solution to this, SalesMate, an AI role play environment that offers a scalable training solution um, for salespeople to uh, run as many reps as they want with an AI role player simulating a customer. It's very cost efficient and provides all of the engagement, realism, and continuous feedback that you would expect from role play. Based on initial conversations and actual traction with companies in the investment management market, we have identified investment management and advisory as our beachhead market. And with that, I'd like to turn it to Rajiv for a demo of our solution.
Thanks, Vincent. Um, yeah, next we'll do a quick demo of our app. Here's our landing page. SalesMate can let you start different training runs and simulators here. And here I'll show you an example. Here's a fresh look at our front end and access to an additional knowledge helper. I'll start with an example. Let's say our customer sales rep's name is John, and he's trying to reach out to a prospective client. Um, and he starts a conversation. And as you can see, our simulator returns a response which is like pretty harsh and trying to like basically train the sales rep into answering tough questions. And say John responds with this prompt, saying that the prospective client came to an event in New York City and had contact information from there. The response from our simulator is still being pretty careful about it, and this provides some interesting ways in which the sales rep can like kind of learn how to interact with a prospective client. And then on the right, we have a knowledge hopper where the sales rep can actually query an internal knowledge base of the company and ask questions. Say the sales rep has a question about institutional real estate. We're querying the knowledge base, which is a collection of documents related to investment management. And here we actually have some questions and answers to give information for that query, so it can help the sales rep during simulation. So yes, just to recap at a high level, our solution essentially consists of both a client simulator and a sales copilot. And the client simulator is built on a model training pipeline where we're taking proprietary sales conversation transcripts and fine-tuning an LLM to essentially simulate a customer when interacting with a sales rep. And I'll hand it over to Raphael to discuss a little more about our technical solution.
Cool. So diving a little bit deeper in our technical architecture, here's overall what we've used. So we are using GCP as our cloud platform. In the right, you can see this big green rectangle representing our application layer. So you can see that it has been orchestrated by Kubernetes engine and having the front end, the back end, and also direct copilot containers. And then this application layer, it uses an LLM that's fine-tuned using the Vertex AI, which is the blue rectangle in the center. So basically, we're using real close conversations to fine-tune a Gemini model that is deployed using Vertex AI. So we have both a container for processing the data and connecting to Vertex AI to fine-tune the model. And we're using the secrets manager to actually make the versioning of the endpoint that we are using here. Um, so what have been the challenges that we faced during this process? So the first one is the limited data that we had for fine-tuning the model. So we use it a proprietary data set, but we could expand it using synthetic data. Also, for evaluating the LLM model, we just used some base metrics, such as the loss of the model, but we could use techniques such as LLM as a judge and create some custom testing tools. Finally, we had some issues deploying the front end, and also a small sample for our vector store knowledge base. So basically, for the knowledge base, we just built a POC data set, but we could expand it in the future using a web scraper and also doing agentic RAG instead of the more simple RAG technique we used. So that's SalesMate. Thank you.